labels in TimeSolv. Our TimeSolv app is extremely versatile and customizable to best suit your business needs. TimeSolv uses certain terminology by default, but you can customize the language used in various field labels. With so much room to customize our app, it can often get confusing when viewing our knowledge base articles, as the terminology is based on the defaults and is not universal. In this video, we'll be going through the customizable labels in TimeSolv. It's a good idea to make sure you are thorough with this checklist before you get started with TimeSolv, so that you can set your business up according to your own individuality. First up, we'll take a look at customizable labels under account settings. Here you can see we have a firm label that can be customized from company, firm, or partnership. And then we have a professional label, so you can change this to whichever user types you have. So if your users are mostly associates, consultants, employees, fee earners, professionals, resource, staff members, or timekeepers. You can also change the tax label here. You can change this to anything you need. So for example, if you don't use tax but use an admin fee, you can change this label to admin fee. Likewise, when you change it, this tax ID field will change to admin fee ID. Let's take a look at client and matter related customizable labels. Click on Clients, Settings, and under the General tab there are a variety of customizable labels. Right here we have the client label that can be changed to customer. We have the matter label that can be changed to case, engagement, job, or project. And then we have the related party custom field label. This is unrestricted and you can change it to whatever you want. Again, the relationship custom label is also unrestricted, change it to whatever you want. And then we have the customizable label for default name for trust. You can change the label trust to whatever you need. Next up, let's take a look at the time related labels under time and settings. And under the General tab we have over here the task label. This can be changed to event or activity, and we can also change the internal notes label here. So over here it says internal notes, but you can change it to whatever you need. And now we'll be heading over to expense and settings. Over here you can change the expense label from either cost or disbursement. And then we have the invoice settings. You can change the invoice label to bill if that's what you prefer. And under to do and settings, you can change the phase label to job, segment, or stage, or the plan, task, to do label. You can change it from action item, plan activity, or item. And milestone label can be changed to deliverable, event, or occurrence. These labels are useful for your projects that you create in TimeSolv. Thank you for listening.